Knockout has another kind of model data object called a computed observable. Computed observables are really nice because they can create a value when they're accessed rather than just retrieve it from somewhere. One good example is full name. That should take your first name and your last name, combine them together, and return it. Maybe if there's a middle name defined, it should add that in too. Now, it doesn't make any sense to store the full name as an actual string here because that's redundant. We already have all of the information we need to figure out the full name. So rather than store it as a string, why not store it as an action, as a function? So that's exactly what we do. We store full name as a special kind of function. And when you want to get the full name, you run that function and it returns the first name plus a space plus the last name. The great thing is, when all of your variables are observables or computed observables, you can treat them all exactly the same. So it's just as easy for us to use, but we get the benefit of having a data object that computes itself based on other data that we're storing.